Hey guys, I'm Josh Zolan, CEO of Windy City Equipment and author of the new book, Blue is the New White. It's been all of about 6 years since I've actually updated this trailer, so I thought I'd better do that since we've come such a long way since 2013 and have a lot more now to offer our subscribers. So long story short, you're going to find two things on this channel. Number one is our staple, okay, what we started off doing, what our subscribers really come to see. And that is the basic repair, maintenance, and how-to videos on various commercial kitchen equipment, HVAC, refrigeration, that type of thing, along with advice for facility managers, technicians, service companies, you know, and like restaurant operators and things like that. So the intro to those videos is going to look like this. Okay, this has been, like I said, our staple for the last 6 years, and I know it's what most of our subscribers love to see. So that's not going away. We're still going to do that. It is harder to find time these days to be able to film it, edit it, upload it, on all that, you know, with the incredible growth that we've seen with Windy City Equipment. But we understand the importance of sticking with it, so we're going to. Just keep in mind that we are mechanics. We're not actors. All right, so there might be some terminology that we use that you're not familiar with, or we might skip some simple steps that just come to us out of habit and we don't think to actually explain it, which I know is what the videos are all about. But we do respond to every single comment. So if anything ever needs clarification, just reach out and ask. All right. And also, we don't claim to know it all. We don't claim to know everything there is to know out there. You might know better than us. You might be doing things like we're doing for much longer than we've been doing it. So we're open to that. So if we are doing something incorrectly or you know, you think something needs to be revised, just reach out and let us know. Anything, but just let us know what you think that we should revise, and we'll revise it if we deem that that's a better way. Also, make sure to be smart when you're watching these videos, and I'm serious about this. Take all necessary safety precautions, all right? That's gloves, goggles, disconnecting electric, you know, all that kind of stuff. And there will be a link to our safety guidelines and disclaimer in every single how-to video. So make sure you click on it, give it a look, and if you don't feel comfortable with anything that we're doing, then stop and call a professional to come help you. And if you need any recommendations, no matter where you are, just reach out and let us know. We have a lot of relationships all over the country, all over the world, really, at this point, and we would be happy to make a recommendation if we can. The second thing that you're going to see is a little bit newer. It's going to be the Blue is the New White podcast. All right, it corresponds with the book, but it's where we shatter the perception, right, that the blue-collar trades are menial, low-income, low-level careers, which obviously just isn't the case. We'll interview successful tradespeople, facility managers, business owners, and talk to them about how they found success in the trades, not only monetarily, but just in a general fulfillment aspect. The video intros to those will look like this. Now, this is a very, very lucrative and rewarding career, and those who have had the privilege of knowing about it from a young age have a huge advantage. But unfortunately, we live in a society that glorifies the value of a college degree, right? Depicting it really as the only measure of true success, which is just the furthest thing from the truth right now. And this whole podcast is to show you why, all right? It's also available on iTunes and Spotify, so make sure you check it out there. And of course, both of these things will be separated into separate playlists and organized that way. So if one of them doesn't interest you, just skip it and move on. But either way, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel just to see what it's all about. I promise you will not regret it. We have a lot of great information here. Also remember that this channel was built for you. So if there's something that you want to see as a viewer, or something that you want us to talk about, something you want to hear, just reach out. We love ideas, we love suggestions, and we would love to be able to tailor everything that we do to what our viewers and listeners want to see and hear. All right, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, contributing, and doing what you do. Enjoy the videos.